Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing great. Welcome back to my channel Development Tech. If you guys are watching for the first time, please subscribe to my channel. Now let's get into the topic. In last class, we discussed about push, pop, shift, index of, and includes. In today's topic, we discussed about sum, every, find index, filter, and splice. Okay, what exactly the sum is? Means if we have, suppose we have here. So I'm having array. Okay, array ELE is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. Okay, in this one, if one of the element is satisfying this condition, okay, satisfying this condition, one of the element, then it will return true. Else it return false. Okay, how we can check it out means here suppose array element array element dot sum of function. Okay, function. Here we need to give the value comma index comma original. Okay, and console dot log of condition satisfied. Okay, return return value greater than suppose 3. Okay, including this one. Can we see what exactly the output is? The output is true. Why we are getting true means, see here we are getting the condition, checking the condition value 1 greater than 3 false. Going to the next one, 1 greater than, sorry, 2 greater than 3 false, 3 greater than 3 false, 4 greater than 3 true. That is why we are getting the output as true. And also here see the condition satisfied, the condition satisfied is printed for 4 times. For the first time it is printing, for the second time it is printing, for the third time it is printing, and for the fourth time also it is printing. Okay, means it is iterating 4 times. For the fourth time the condition got satisfied. That is why we are getting the value as true. Okay, can we give the some more one example? See, I am giving suppose 5, clicking enter. See, condition satisfied, did for 5 times, but the output is false. Why? Because of array having 1 2 3 4 5, but what our condition is value greater than 5. Value means 1 greater than 5 false, 2 greater than 5 false, 3 greater than 5 false, 4 greater than 5 false, 5 greater than 5 false. See, all the conditions are false. That is why it is throwing the output as false. If any one of the condition is true, then it is throwing as true. And also here we can point out one of the point here. See, suppose it is traversing in left to right, right? If at the first index means zeroth index and first index. At the first index, the condition got true, and it will not check for remaining conditions, means remaining elements. Okay, you are getting right. By using this one, we can take, see here, we can take two parameters, maximum two parameters. Suppose we can check it out here. Array element dot sum. Now, see here we can able to see the predict. Okay, predicate, and this is the output. Question mark is a optional. Okay, that is why Kate can take maximum two arguments. One is the callback, and second one is the output. And callback called by some function, means some condition. See, this is the condition. Until the condition satisfied, it will run. Okay, and next one, how many parameters the callback function, this function can take, means three values, three arguments. Sorry, how many arguments? Value, index, original. Okay, return type is, what is the return type? Type boolean. Return value is true or false. Okay, you are getting right. This is about the sum. And next one, opposite of sum. What is the next one? Sum. Next one is every. For the same one, dot ev every. Every. See, it will take the two arguments. Okay, it will take the two arguments. First one is a callback function. The callback function we have value, comma, index, comma, original array. Okay, second one is option. Okay, for reference purpose, we can add console.log of condition satisfied. Okay, and the return value is, say, suppose I'm taking return value greater than or equal to 1. Okay, can I enter? Click on enter. See, the condition is true. Okay, why? Because of it is satisfying each and every element in an array. See, the value greater than equal to 1. So for the first element, it is satisfied. Second element is satisfied. 2 greater than equal to 1. True. 3 greater than equal to 1. True. 4 greater than equal to 1. True. 5 greater than equal to 1. True. See, it is traversing till last element. See, 5 conditions are executing, means it is iterating for 5 times. We have 5 elements, right? That's why it is iterating for 5 times. Now, can we check the other one? If suppose I am building this one, can I enter? See, here the condition is false. See, output is false. Why? Because output is false means it is iterating for only for the first element. What the condition is? Value greater than 1. See, we have index see in the element array 1 greater than 1. At the first element only it is failed. See, first element only it is failed. That is why it is not iterating to the next element. That is why the condition satisfied is printed only for the once. The first element is false, then it will return false. Okay, suppose can take we can take a different array. Okay. Red comma 200 comma 300 comma 400 comma 500. Okay, this is the array. Now array elements dot every of function value comma index comma original. You can give anything for easy purpose. And now console.log of condition satisfied. Okay, now the condition is value greater than 300. Okay, this is the condition. Can I click on enter? Sorry. See, it is 100 greater than 100 greater than 300. Condition is false. Or we can change it as less than 400. See here 100 less than 400 condition, 100 less 200 less than 400 condition is 200 300 less than 400 condition is 400 less than 400. The condition is false. That is why here the condition is satisfied for 4 times and the value is written as the output is written as false. Why? Because means what exactly the array is, sorry, every means it will satisfy each and every condition for an array elements. Means all the elements should satisfy the condition. Okay, this is the condition. Each and every element should satisfy the condition. Then only it will throw an output as true. Else it will throw an output as false. You are getting right. This is about the sum. Sorry, every. Okay. And what about the every means? If the return type here also is boolean and the return value is true or false. Okay, and next thing is what we have the next one. Every is fine. Next thing is find. Then we go here. Array element dot array element dot find of see here also we have two arguments. Okay, first one is callback function of say value comma index comma what's the next one, original array. Okay, and here also we can take return value 3 will equal to suppose we can take 3. Okay, see we are getting the output as 3. Suppose why we are getting array elements. See here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here the values exist in the array. The 3 is existing in the array. That is why we are getting the output as 3. If suppose value double equal to 8, see, we are getting the output as undefined. See, by looking these two things, we can conclude a point like if there is a value, then it will throw an output value as this value. Okay. If there is no value in an array, then it will return the undefined. Okay. By seeing this one, what is the return type is? Return type is any. Suppose if there is a string, any. So, and the return value is if it is there, if the value is there, then that is the written value. Okay. If it is not there, the written value is undefined. Okay. Here also it will take two arguments in the find. It will take two arguments. In the callback, it is taking three arguments. Okay. You are getting it. This is about the find. What exactly the find index? Next one. The same. We are having ARR dot find index of same. Here also callback function. If function. Here also we are giving the value index comma original array inside this one. We are checking the return value is equal to, suppose we can do 3. Okay. Can we enter? And what exactly the array is? See, we are referring to 3. Okay. We are referring to 3. What is the index of 3? 0, 1, 2. The element is there. That is why it is written in the value as 2. Means the index of 3 is 2. Suppose if there is no value, means suppose the value is not equal to, suppose I am giving 8. If there is no value, then it is returning a output as minus. By seeing this one, we can conclude, right? If there is a value, it will throw an index. Okay. If it is not, if there is no value, then it will throw -1 as the return. If here the return type is number, see, we are getting the numbers. And the return value is returns the index. If there is no element, then it will return -1. Okay, this is about the find index. And next thing is the important one: find completed, find index completed, and filter. What exactly the filter? This is also a method. The array element dot filter of. See here also we have two arguments. First one is function. Okay, can give the value okay. Next one, return value greater than, suppose we can give 3. Okay, can we run? Okay, so syntax. By seeing this one, we can conclude a point, right? With we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here, I am giving the filter as value greater than 3. Means it is checking each and every element. Suppose, can we do it right? Also, the log of check. It is checking for each. Checking is printed on 5 times. That means it is checking for each and every for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's checking for each and every element. If this condition is satisfied, then it is thrown. It is coming into the output array. See, 1 is greater than 3. Conditions fails. 2 is greater than 3. Condition fails. 3 is greater than 3. Condition fails. 4 is greater than 3. Condition false. That is why it is coming as output. And 5 is greater than 3. It is true. That is coming. That is why it is coming into the output. Now, what if I give the value is 5? Here no. Here we have the element set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But no one element is satisfying this condition. Then what is the output means? It is throwing as empty array. See, it is iterating for each and every element. Means it is see here it is printing for 5 times, means it is iterating for each and every element in an array. But this condition is not satisfied. That is why it is throwing an empty array. Okay, you are getting right what exactly it is. Here, the return type is also an array. Okay, the return value is array of condition satisfied elements. Means this condition satisfied elements. These two are condition satisfied elements. The return type value. Okay, this is about the filter. Okay, now next coming to the slice. Sorry, it is used to get the part of an array. Okay, it is used to get the part of an array. See, array elements. Okay, now we can take it as ARL dot slice of. See, here we are getting the start and end of an both are option. Can we check it out here? See, I am giving slice. We are not giving any condition. That's why it is returning entire array. It is not giving any filters. Suppose I am giving here starting as 1 and ending as 2. See, here I am giving starting as 1 and ending as 2. Here the first argument starts from the first argument and ends with the array length. Okay, ends with the array length. And the first and second argument starts from first argument, and from there it will take the difference of first argument and the second argument. Okay, see here this is the first index, means 0, 1. See 0, 1. Here is the 2 is the first index. It is printing here. And from this one, see 2 minus 1 is only 1. That is why it is printing only one index. See, sorry, only one. Suppose we are giving 3 here. See, now we are getting 2 values. Means 3 minus 1, 2 values. From first index, it will take 2 values. Okay, this is how it will work. Okay, now here the return type is array and the return value is array elements. Okay, this is about the slice. Okay, now next one is splice. It is used to modify an array. Okay, it is used to modify an array. Suppose array of elements. Okay, dot splice. See, now we have the three arguments. First one is start, second one is optional one, delete count, third one is the rest parameter. Suppose I am giving start 3 and delete count suppose 0, comma, suppose I am giving 100, you can take 100. Okay. See, here the length is 0. Can we check the array elements? See here, 100 is added in the third index. Okay. And also here we can conclude a point, right? The splice method is used to modify a original. Okay. And now we can do one other check. Suppose it is 1 and delete count is 3 and we can give 200. Okay. Now see here I am giving 1. Okay, this first index. This is the what is there is the yeah, this is the first index. Okay, means 2 300 means delete count is 3 2 300. Okay, what 2 300 we need to give 200 in place of 2 300 we need to give 200. That is why we are getting the output as 1 200 4 5. Okay, what exactly means? See, this is the starting index. Starting index, where the starting index is 1. Index 1. What is the index 1? 0, 1. From where it will start? From the 2. How many elements it will delete? 3 elements. From 2, 3 elements. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Delete these 3 elements and insert 200. Okay. You are getting it? Here, these 3 elements are deleting and these 3 elements deleting and inserting 200 here. See, 1 and replacing these 3 with 200, 200 and 4 and 5. You are getting it? This is how splice method will work. Okay. These are the some of the methods, okay, of an array. Today we discussed about sum, every, okay, find, find index and find and filter, slice and splice. Okay, you are getting right. This is about the, and we will discuss one-line answers. Why we are using splice means it is used to modify an array. Okay, and why you are using slice? It is used to get part of an array. And why we are using filter? Filter is used to satisfy the condition. If the condition is satisfied, then it will send the satisfied elements into a particular array. Okay. Next one is find index. If we are passing any value, if the value is there, then it will throw that it will return that particular values index. If not, it will send -1 as an result. Okay. Next one is find. find it is used to check the element is there or not. If the element is there, it will return the element. If it's not there, it will return undefined. Now, every means all the elements should satisfy the condition. If it is satisfying the condition, it will returns the true, else it will returns the false. Suppose if any one of the element, if any minimum means minimum one element satisfy the condition, then it will returns true, else it returns false. These are the seven functions discussed today. Okay. We will discuss few more methods in tomorrow's class. Yeah, that's all from my end. Thanks, guys. Bye bye.